Hey, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a UI designer, then this video is for you. I'm one of those guys that believe that it's just crazy. As a matter of fact, I've said it before on this channel that it's criminal for you to design inside of Figma, for example, and then you need to take your design again and go and rebuild or redesign inside of maybe WordPress or inside of Elementor. If you've built it inside of Figma, then you should be able to take it, deploy it to maybe WordPress, using page builder like Elementor, Gutenberg, bridge builder, whatever page builder you're comfortable with inside of WordPress. For tutorial purpose, I have just this landing page here design that I would love to take to Elementor, WordPress. Here is UiChemy. If you spent a lot of time on my channel over the years, you'll have seen me at some point or the other. I talk about UiChemy or use UiChemy. It's still one of the best tools out there for you to take your design to WordPress. And this time around with WordPress Elementor. So you can see here, convert your design to 100% editable WordPress website. It's quite fantastic. And over the years, they've been able to build this up. And you can see they have even the UiChemy MCP. You don't need to stress yourself. Connect UiChemy to your WordPress website, and then UiChemy interact directly to your WordPress. So UiChemy link your Figma to WordPress. Anything you build inside of WordPress, just with a click of a button, deploy it to your live website. It's as simple as that. It's crazy, but it's fantastic. It works like that. What I want to do first is to launch UiChemy. UiChemy have a plugin inside of Figma that you can use, like I told you earlier. So I can just right click this and come to plugins, and then I can come to Figma to Elementor by UiChemy. So if you are using this for the very first time, you need to create an account on UiChemy, and then you need to connect the API here. But I'll show you how to create an account eventually later. But let me just show you how to use this tool. For this kind of design here, you have two methods: AI Express mode or classic mode, where you get to control everything yourself. You get to have pixel to pixel control. What do you want to map your design at? What do you want to target at inside of Elementor? All this kind of stuff. But here, I love their AI. I love their AI Express mode here, and I will always recommend that you use that. So our frame is already here. So let's go next. And you can see it's reading the frame right now, reading the design, analyzing everything with AI to know exactly how to help you take your design to Elementor website. So you see, that's done. And the next thing here is for us to select a site or even connect a site. So I'll come here, and then I don't have a site. Let's add a site. So the easy way is for us to go to a WordPress website and then add UiChemy. So now let me just go to this random WordPress website I have here. So let's come to plugins. Instead of plugins here, let's add plugin, and let's just search for UiChemy. So we have UiChemy plugin here. Let's install that plugin and let's activate it. As usual, you will need to sign in with your UiChemy account here so that UiChemy work directly inside of your WordPress. So I'm going to allow this. Definitely, I'm signing into UiChemy already, so you can see access granted. Good stuff. Elementor is installed here, so you can see Elementor already. So let's just install and activate. All right. For this purpose here, we're going to use the UiChemy Figma plugin. So UiChemy also work with Cursor, Codex, and their MCP, right? So fantastic stuff here. Let's continue this process. So this is a connection link here right now. So we're going to copy this and we're going to bring it back to Figma. And this is the connection link it's asking for. So we're going to paste that here, and then we're going to hit the connect button. And that's it. That has been connected. You can see that. Everything all good. So now let's go next. Now, two things here. Is that we go full setup or we go page only. So if we go full setup, it would import the colors, the font, everything we need into the website, and it will save that on your website, such that when you are maybe importing other pages, you don't need to always have to go and add your colors, your fonts, and those are the things that make UiChemy a lot crazy. In my opinion, is fantastic and mind-blowing. But for the purpose of this tutorial here, let's just go the page alone for now. It says theme builder is missing because ideally we should be separating our headers from our footer. That's the way WordPress works, right? So, and this is able to do that. you need to have a plugin that can do that for you. Either you have Elementor Pro, or you have maybe their Next.js plugin installed that can help you manage your header and your footer, or maybe any plugin that can do that really. But for now, it's okay. We know that our team is missing. This is just for tutorial purpose. This is not how I'll build a professional WordPress website, and I believe you know that. Keep my design exactly or clean it up as it converts, but let me just keep it exactly the way it is, and let's go next. Add motion effect, subtle, immense. But let's just make this very subtle. We just want to have some animation on the website. I'm not even sure if the design here has animation, but let's see what this is able to do. Ready to convert. We can see that page alone, fix gaps. You can see all of those cool stuff. Now let's convert this. I think this is done here. This is good. Now let's open this and let's check. You can see that. You can see that for yourself. You can see how this is literally my design inside of Figma right here inside of WordPress. Isn't this crazy? You can see the animations there. Fantastic stuff there. Unfortunately here I have double footer because I'm not managing my footer, but I can just edit this page and set it to Elementor canvas for me to use that. So see that. Let's just close this, but I think this is just amazing. Let's see our design again inside of Figma. Let's zoom this in a little. Okay, let's close this and let's zoom in a little on our design. Something like this. See that? Okay. I want us to be able to just compare what we have in terms of results. So you can see that this is good, fantastic. See this. Let's come back here. Let's see that. Wow, literally the same thing here. Literally. Wow, this is good. So now let's edit this Elementor. Let's see what we have in the backend. Maybe this is just a bunch of HTML code. Let's see. We need to see that. Okay, so now let's close this. Now let's inspect this for a second. Let's inspect this. You can see that. And I think this is super awesome. So you can use AI to literally edit this page here, and you can even switch to editor, and then you can see this. You can use your mouse, you can move around to edit. But in this tutorial, the idea is not to teach you this. I'm going to show you another tutorial where I'm going to walk you through how you can use this AI and you can use this tool to super edit your WordPress website. We have to start getting used to AI and AI building stuff for us. And the beautiful thing now is that we now see AI come into content management system like WordPress to help us build, edit our pages, and do all those cool stuff for us. And I think that's quite very fantastic. So I'm going to be showing that tutorial that I'm going to walk you through how to use this tool. And if you want to learn more about that, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then let me know in the comment section that you want to see awesome cool stuff like this from me. And that's it. And that's my time for this video. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on awesome tutorial from me. And I'll see you on that one. And until then, take care.